Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Jay. Welcome back to another video. Alright you guys, so in today's video it's going to be a little different. I always say that every time, something really different, when it's really not. It's practically the same thing. I'm doing a little tutorial for y'all, but actually today I'll be using a different foundation. I'm always usually sticking to my MAC foundation and my Clinique foundation. I actually the day before yesterday wanted to go buy my MAC foundation, and for some reason I thought that Sephora carries MAC, but when I went yesterday I was like, oh damn, I guess not. So I was just looking around yesterday and I actually was looking into two foundations that I've been wanting to use. It was either I don't know if it's Nairs or NARS. I think it's Nairs and BareMinerals. So I was just looking or whatever to see which one was, you know, better, etc. So I ended up going with BareMinerals. So yes you guys, as you can see, I have not used it yet. I just bought this the day before yesterday and I wanted to show you guys how it looks on me. I've actually already tried it. They tried the color on me when I went to Sephora just to see if it matched really good. But this will be you guys the first time seeing me with a different foundation on. So yeah, and today, yes, we're gonna do like a little mini tutorial, nothing too dramatic. I was thinking like maybe some like a little pink color and then a blurred eyeshadow, a blurred eyeliner. So that's what we're gonna be doing today. So without further ado, if you want to know how I get this look and how this foundation looks on me, continue on watching. Alright you guys, so as you can see, I did my eyebrows and I primed my eyelids off camera as usual. Alright, so for the palette we're going to be going in with today's The Cutest Fuck Colourpop palette. You already know how it looks like from the inside. I've done a couple of makeup looks with this palette. So the first color I'm going to be going in with is with this color right here. If y'all can see it right there. It's like a nude shade. And this could be like our transition color. You know what I forgot to put on? Actually, oh yeah, my little eyeshadow on them. I'm gonna need them. Alright, that's good enough. Alright, so let me go back into that palette and get some of that color and then just blend it out. So next color I'm going to go into is this color right beside it, which is called Champs. It's like a little peachy color. And I think we're just going to stick to that color right there. Yeah, that's like a little pink peach color that I was looking for. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and pop on some eyeliner. So the eyeliner I'm using is the Endless Silky Eye Pen from Pixi. I actually ran out of it, so I had like literally to dig in like with something to take out some of it, and I put it right here, kind of ghetto, but it's okay. We're gonna use it anyways. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab an angled brush. Alright, so now I'm going to go back in with that brush, go back in with that color, and just blend that out. That's not even pink. Guys, that's not even pink, but that's okay. Could call this like a orangey eye look. So I'm gonna get some mascara. And then pop on some lashes. Alright, you guys, so lashes are on. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the other eye off camera and I'll be right back. Alright, you guys, so we are back. We finished the other eyes and popped on some lashes off camera. Now it's time to go to the face. The main event. Just kidding. Just kidding. Just kidding. Alright, you guys, so first things first is primer. So I'm gonna go ahead and get the UHD primer spray. I actually used this on my last video with the Miss A Haul video. So it worked really good actually. I really like it a lot. So you guys, it's really good. So for primer, I'm gonna go in with the NYX Studio Perfect Photo Loving Primer as usual. Alright, so now we're going into the foundation. Like I told you guys, I switched up and going in with the BareMinerals, which when I saw the yesterday when I went to Sephora, not yesterday, the day before yesterday, I went to Sephora. Like I said, I wanted to get my MAC foundation, but they don't carry MAC. I could have sworn I saw MAC, but I think I was just like, I think I saw Nair's and I was like, oh, I must have thought that was MAC. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know how I got like confused and thought that they had MAC products. But I decided to go with this one. And I'm in the color Sable, S-A-B-L-E. Sable, I think that's it. Sable 21. So this is how it looks like, you guys. And I actually have a friend, she said she uses this foundation. She said it's really, really good. I won't be able to give you all the results on how good it wears on my face or etc. until the next video when I wear this out. So let's continue and put this on my face. Ooh, this is like, wow, this is like a very liquidy foundation. So I'm just gonna put little dots because I don't want this to drip all over my face because it is literally way too liquidy. So let me get my brush. I might have to put a little bit more just to get full coverage, or maybe not. Probably have to put some more on this side, just a little more. Like I said, it's literally very liquidy, like for real. Like when I put some, it like literally started dripping all over my hand. I'm gonna go ahead and get a sponge so I could dab this well in there. All right, so far it is really good. I feel really comfortable with it. It's not too heavy. So now we're gonna go in with concealer. I wish I would have gotten their concealer too, but I just went for the foundation. So I'm gonna go in with the Clinique foundation plus concealer. All right, so I'm gonna get some contour. Let me get my contour stick to contour the face, and then we'll put some airspun. All right, so now we're gonna get some airspun and set this. All right, so let me dust this off. I'll just leave it for a little while and then I'll go ahead and dust it off right away. The Morphe bronzer. All right, so let me go under the eyes. A pencil eyeliner and put that on my waterline. Go back in with that little small brush. I'm gonna put some mascara to the lower lashes. For blush, I'm gonna go in with a really light blush, and this is in the color Mod. Right now we're going into highlight. The highlight we're going to use is the Wet n Wild highlight. I'm going to get a smaller brush to apply this to the inner corner of the eye. Alright, so for some setting spray, I'm going to go in with the dipbrow setting spray. It smells really good. Alright, you guys, so for lips today, we're just going to go in with some simple gloss. Lately I've been feeling the gloss, so I've been sticking with gloss a lot lately. I'm more of a big fan of gloss now. Alright you guys, so this is the final look. I hope you guys like this video. I hope you guys like the makeup, and if you did, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and leave some comments below. So far I'm really liking this foundation. I really do like it, so I think this is my go-to foundation for now and on, so I can give Clinique and MAC a break, because you know I need to try some new things. But I'm really happy I did bought this foundation. Maybe NARS is next, who knows. But anyways, yeah, I hope you guys did enjoy this video, and I hope you guys did like this makeup look. And once again, if you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye.